Hello my friend, once again welcome back. So today I am doing two videos in one day. So we are doing concealer today, and as I said, I have a collection. I have a lot of concealers. Now we are gonna go into the drugstore concealer. So this one is not a drugstore, it's from Shein, which I'm going to still put it in my video, and I'm going to show you how this look. This one is from Shein. I bought these concealer with the foundation and the powder last year, I think, or the year before, from Shein. So let's first show you the Shein one. This is Shein. This is very thick, and it's very pigmented, and I do love this concealer because it blends out really well on the under eye. So this one is from Shein, you guys. And then I am going to show you, this one is from Remo, and this is from the drugstore, you guys. So this one is, I use this one as a bronzer for my cheek and my forehead there. I use this one because it's a little bit on the darker side. So you can see how it is right here. It's very creamy, you guys. It's easy to blend out. These are concealer I am showing you affordable. So as for me, I stopped buying high-end concealer a long time ago, and I go with the drugstore one because I think they do the same way. You just know how to blend it out. Like if you're gonna blend out, you make sure that you get a clean sponge, you damp your sponge, and you use it to blend out. So this one is from Elf, which I do love these. The thing with these, that these food are so huge, but they do perform really nice. This is another great concealer to have, you guys, and it do blend out good. As I said, these are a little bit on the thick side. This one they are a little bit on the thick side. So now let's go into Revolution Makeup of London. This is one of their concealer define. I have like 2 or 3 of these. This is also, you can find these at the drugstore, and you can see these are for more of a highlighter for your brow bone, or if you have a lighter undertone skin, these are something that you can use. So I do use this mostly for my under brow bone, or even if I use this for my under eye, I always make sure that I put like a little more darker concealer over it. So that's also from the drugstore. This one is another one of the Elf, and this is hydrating combo concealer stain finish. You guys, get these concealer from Elf. They are really cool, and these are in the drugstore. It's not a lot for it like the high end, so I always make sure that I keep these in my collection so I don't have to go and buy high end. When I just started makeup, I usually go with the high end. Now I don't anymore. I go with these concealers. So I'm gonna like blend, show you the swatches, blend them, show you how they look on the back of my hand. This one is amazing, and this one is from Shein, and also this one is from Revolution. So I also have this one, and I only have 2 from Sephora, you guys. I have the NARS one, which is this one, and I also have this one from Murphy, which this one from Murphy, I don't pick it up at Sephora, but I know Sephora carry it. So let's show you the Murphy one here. This is the Murphy one. They have a more longer one, which work perfectly. You can see it's very creamy. So these are concealer that are affordable for you to try out. This one is the NARS one, and this one is from Sephora, which I have this for a while, but I still like to use it. You can see here how it is. I still like to use this one also. Once in a while I use it. Now as far as this one is from Stellar, I think. I got these and with the foundation for free some time ago. So this one is more of a darker consistent. Here you can see how it is, like it's a cool, more darker undertone, but it's blend pretty good, and the under eye, whichever you choose. Mostly these are something that I put above my brow bone hair, so it's easy to blend out, you guys. So now I have this, and this one is also, I'm sorry, I felt I didn't say this one. This one is also from the beauty supply. Sorry, also, you guys, I forgot to put this also in my beauty supply one. And this one is from Ruby Kiss. It's really also of a really nice concealer and very creamy. I love the consistency of this concealer, and the one of it is so amazing. Just really not one of those big huge foot that, you know, this applicator is really nice. As for if you try these one and these one, you can see that these applicator are more bigger than these here. Like the drugstore, like the elf one are more a bigger one than the Ruby Kiss one. So this one is from Elf Ridge. This applicator is huger than this one. Yeah. So let's go into the other two I have now. I use this. This is from Revolution, and this is the eye brightener illuminator. So this is something that I would use my under eye. Let's show you guys how I do apply this. This coming like the elf one, but this one is more different. You have a sponge here, so you don't have to put your hand or a brush. So what I would do, I would just use this underneath my eyes here, and you don't have to put a lot, and then you will just blend this out. I'm gonna show you how it looks here. So this is the under eye brightener from Revolution, you guys. You get these at the drugstore also to buy. So this is how it look underneath my eyes here, and let's show you the consistency of this also. This is how it looks, very smooth. You can see how smooth it is, and it blends perfectly good under the eyes, you guys. So I also have, this one is the last one, and this one is Prideful, which are in Walmart. I don't think I have seen it in Shoppers. This one is in Walmart. This is another full concealer, you guys. The one of it is very big as like the elf one, and you can see it's very smoothing on the skin when you put it on, when you apply the concealer to the hand. So this is something that I have here, and I am just, these are things that I just want to show you some of my collection of concealer that I have. So I have a lot of concealer, you guys. So let's show you all my concealer together. Hopefully I can hold them in my hand. These are all the drugstore one that I had. Drugstore. These are all the drugstore, some of the drugstore one I have. I think I have there's another concealer here that I have which I don't look for, which is from Essence. So these are the drugstore one that I have right now in front of me. I still have some of and then beauty supply concealer that I have, and I will see you guys in my next upload. If you are not subscribed, again, please do share my video, like my video, and do subscribe to my channel. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Ciao.